We're trying to alphabetize this column of titles, but we have titles of songs that have the word "the" at the beginning. So we have like Africa, Clocks, Creep, Fix You, but we also have The Night We Met, The Sound of Silence. And if we try to alphabetize this, we are going to freeze our first row, and then we're going to sort sheet by A to Z. We'll see we have the "does" here, but we would like to alphabetize without the. Whoa, that is a hard phrase to say. So how can we do this? One way we can do this, I'm going to show you in this video, is a helper column. And so we're going to have a helper column that says sort, and now this will be how we sort. So we're going to take formula equals, only use RegEx, replace. What are we going to replace? We're going to take the text that's in A2, and we're going to replace with a regular expression, we'll write this here, with just nothing. So at the very end, we'll have comma and 2 quotes. And so right now, this is actually saying take nothing and replace it with nothing. But let's actually write something here. And we want to write the. But the issue is this will take away all of the thes that are only THE in this particular case, not uppercase, not lowercase, not uppercase T. And it will also take off all of the thes. So we don't want that, right? See, if we do the, and see now it's not just the mamas and papas. It's just mamas and the papas. So we don't want that. We only want the taken away at the beginning. So let's do that. So first, we don't care about capitalization. And how we get only the beginning is this caret. That's this little like upward looking chevron sort of. And we want the, not there, not them, when it has a space. So actually we'll do that. Now we have back the mamas and the papas. And now we'll copy paste all the way down, and you see now it's times they are changing, not the times they are changing. Less I know, not the less I know. Hills, not the hills. There you go. So now we have a helper column that we can actually sort by. And this is very different than the other list that we had before. Cool, right? So that's how to just take the beginning the out of it and sort it.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.